The next one that we're going to be looking at is XRP. It's been getting really popular again. And it's kind of doing what Dogecoin is doing right now, going to the goddamn moon.
Oh yeah, XRP is moving. I haven't technical analysis on XRP in a while.
Go ahead, dude. Just go on XRP.
All right, let me do this. I just need to adjust my Fibonacci.
Go for it. I'll check X as well.
Sounds good. All I'm doing is extending my Fibonacci out. I'm just trying to line up the bottom with this bottom here on June 13th, 2022. All right, lock it back up. And then let me adjust my charts. Wow, XRP really did move. All right, one more thing. Let me adjust my red box of resistance, which is now flipped as support. Just pulling that out, lock it back up.
I still have EOS.
Oh, good. Good.
You have what?
Nice.
EOS.
Oh, really? Okay, good.
I guess we get out.
True. You gotta ask it in the chat.
Yeah, ask it in the chat. Yeah, no, ask it in the chat. We need some more action in there, please.
We're gonna get our verified person.
Verify, yes.
All right, so XRP. Sorry about that, you guys. XRP is looking great. First thing that catches my eye, that's why I'm zooming in real quick, is the trend line drawn on XRP from quite some time ago. So first touch point is December 28th, 2020.
Ooh.
Second touch point is May 9th, 2022, and the trend line was just extended out. Look at how well the trend line has just slowly guided price action to the upside. When we're above it, we want to get pulled back to it. When we're below it, we want to get pulled back to it. Mm-hmm. So just like some of my red boxes of resistance / support on some of my other charts, you could see that this trend line acts like that. When we're above it, we want to get back pulled to it and below it. When we're below it, we want to get pulled back to it and above it. So we're just constantly good.
They perfectly follow the trend line.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive. And again, when you draw these, when you're back over here, like in early 2023, it's like, oh, why do I keep extending and adjusting my trend line out? Mm-hmm. Because it's such a strong and valid trend line with the two touch points here that acted. This happened right before XRP blew up and went to almost $2. Then the second touch point with the wick occurred when we were dumping down. So that's extremely valid. Then all this price action on it and around it, and it's support, it's resistance, it's support, it's resistance, it's support, resistance. That validates it to me, a trend line. So as you can see too, when we finally broke out, once we broke above it, we never came back. But what worries me is that since this trend line's been so strong for years now, when we do start to get a rejection, hopefully XRP goes to $5 a coin before we get that rejection, this trend line is going to act as that magnet, right? Because as time goes on, I'll continue to extend that trend line out.
Yes, so that keeps pulling back down the price.
Exactly. So whenever we get that rollover and the rejection to the upside, and there's more sellers than buyers in the market, we may bounce around between these Fibonacci's a little bit, find support on the box, and people think, oh, we'll never get that low. We'll never get that low.
Yeah.
Then you sit back and do technical analysis. Oh, I got to get Drew another cough drop. You sit back and do technical analysis and say, oh, well, based off of these two touch points, why did I not expect it to come back down there when the price started to turn? But anyways, XRP is continuing to the upside. Everything looks good. This trend line has acted so great over the past few years, regardless if that's a good thing or bad thing, because it's just been sideways consolidation for a long time. After
it pumps, this thing pumps.
Oh yeah, you see that. Let's measure this out.
Yeah, let's.
So from its low right in here, October 28th, 2024, to current price, that's 205%, which that's impressive movement.
Yeah.
We've been around Anvil, so we know that 205 isn't too much of a pump. But for a blue chip coin, a coin that's been around as long as XRP, the following it has, everything that's been happening with the lawsuits and things of that sort, that 208% is a beautiful thing. But what's even crazier is look how close we are to our most recent all-time highs of about $2. Once we break the $2 range, the next movement is our original move from back in 2018. I mean, that high is over $3 a coin. So we're slightly under 100% away from hitting the previous all-time high. And if we already did 208%, just like Doge, if Doge is already up 308%, you're telling me it can't do another 100% from where it is?
Oh man, it's gonna get insane now.
Yeah, so XRP looks great. Let's look at really though, places where we could go in the immediate time frame. Looks like we could go to about $2.11, which that would put us above our previous high of $1, just shy of $2. But if XRP gets to $2.11,
it's gonna keep going. It's gonna keep going now.
There's without a doubt these Fibonacci's, all of these measured movements that occur from our swing high to our swing low. These are all measured movements and the Fibonacci retracement. I mean, you see it here, $4.23.
Yep.
So you see where XRP could go, but in the meantime, look for XRP to get over $2, and then let's see where we go. Are we going to get rejected down? What's Bitcoin doing at that time? What's Ethereum doing at that time? How's the market sentiment? But again, if everything keeps up how it's going, we're in an extremely bullish market. There's no reason Doge can't be at 70 cents. There's no reason XRP can't be at above $2, or heck, even at that, above $3.
I mean, especially, how bullish everybody's been online with XRP after all the good news I've been having lately.
Right.
So, yeah.
I mean, just look at this, extremely zoomed out. That's such, we made up for all this time, right? Because look at these highs. The last time we were here was in this range.
Yeah.
So we've made up for, this is April 2021.
Yeah.
So we've made up for over 3 years, almost 3.5 years.
Or just consolidation.
A dump and consolidation in 2 weeks, 3 weeks tops. That's impressive. Nice. And that is a bull market, if I've ever seen one, not a bear market. Jesus Christ.
Perfect. I know we've been saving the market for a while. That's why,
True.
Trying to get out of that.
True.
But anyway, so that was beautiful. XRP is looking amazing, like Dogecoin as well. This is what a bull market is. Everything's going to go nuts, right?
Oh yeah, everything's going to continue to pop.